We've got breaking news coming in. Kiran Bedi has taunted Arvind Kejriwal for seeking Republic Day invite. Bedi has said that it is good that Kejriwal is not on a dharna this Republic Day. She also said that Kejriwal has improved in the last 12 months.
Do you think politics should not be done on the National Day when Barack Obama is the chief guest?
I'm happy to note he values this because when he was on a dharna on Republic Day on the Rajpath, he said, why do you need 26 January? I can fill the Rajpath with people. Why waste money? That's what he said. He's on record.
Alright, that was BJP's chief ministerial candidate Kiran Bedi taunting Arvind Kejriwal for seeking a Republic Day invite. She said that it is good that Arvind Kejriwal is not on a dharna this Republic Day. And she also said that Kejriwal has improved in the last 12 months. Arvind Kejriwal, Aam Aadmi Party convener, is reportedly miffed of not being invited to the Republic Day parade this year. He is reportedly not very happy. He thinks that the protocol has not been followed. Let's listen in what Kiran Bedi had to say on Arvind Kejriwal.
Do you think politics should not be done on the National Day when Barack Obama is the chief guest?
I'm happy to note he values this because when he was on a dharna on Republic Day on the Rajpath, he said, why do you need 26 January? I can fill the Rajpath with people. Why waste money? That's what he said. He's on record.
Alright, that was Kiran Bedi snubbing Aam Aadmi Party convener Arvind Kejriwal for demanding a Republic Day invite. Arvind Kejriwal is reportedly unhappy for being left out. He hasn't got any invitation. He says that he was very keen to attend the Republic Day parade. Joining me live for more on the story is Headlines Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu. Kamal, a snub for a snub. When Arvind Kejriwal snubbed Republic Day celebrations last year, now it is Kiran Bedi snubbing Arvind Kejriwal, saying that it is good that he is not on a dharna this Republic Day.
Well, definitely a war of words breaking out between Arvind Kejriwal and Kiran Bedi. Behind me, if you can try and show you, that's the scene where Kiran Bedi is. In fact, she's taking some divine blessings there. A lot of festivities, and obviously that's what you can really actually hear behind me. You'll hear a lot of drums. But before she went in for that particular prayer, she obviously gave a sarcastic remark about Arvind Kejriwal, saying, I'm glad he does value the importance of National Day. Unlike last year where he was on the dharna outside, now is the time where he's actually a changed man and he values the National Day. So straight Kiran Bedi talking about Arvind Kejriwal, this is obviously going to initiate a war of words. We do expect a retort back from Kejriwal. This is obviously not just about a battle of prestige, this is also between a battle of chief ministerial candidates. We also know that at least 1 year ago, exactly on this particular day, there was a dharna outside Rail Bhavan, and many of the people who actually were rallying behind Arvind Kejriwal at that point of time did question his remark about the Republic Day parade, where he almost threatened to disrupt the Republic Day parade, saying this is only for elitists, normal people. The Aam Aadmi really doesn't get to go and watch that. But right now, this is the time when he actually wanted to rub shoulders with Barack Obama, saying if protocol does allow, he would want to be part of that particular celebration. And Kiran Bedi coming back around and saying that if he wants to really come and be a part of it, it will be a departure from his previous stance where he was actually doing a dharna against the Republic Day.
Kamal, what made Arvind Kejriwal change his mind exactly 12 months back? As you said, at the peak of Delhi's winter, it was the same Arvind Kejriwal who was threatening to disrupt the Republic Day parade. And now we hear Kiran Bedi saying that at least he's become a nationalist. Now he wants an invitation for the Republic Day parade.
Well, this is obviously a posturing which is done keeping in mind his image, and obviously many people did call him anarchist and obviously Naxalite. There were a lot of labels which were given to him. He would want to really fight those particular labels. Also talking about that political dharna that he did outside Rail Bhavan at that point of time, went against that very image that he had created. So obviously this is a correctional position, and obviously he would want to go there, be a part of that entire prestige issue. Barack Obama, the most powerful man, is coming to Delhi, and this is obviously Delhi elections. We'll really have to check with Kiran Bedi whether she's been sent that particular invite. But it'll be very interesting to see if she's been invited while Arvind Kejriwal is not. He would be invited for the state functions. The LG would actually open that invite to him. But it's a matter of fact that whether, as per protocol, the chief ministerial candidate would be allowed, and obviously this is not just limited to Kiran Bedi and Arvind Kejriwal, even Ajay Maken, for that matter Sheila Dikshit. So we'll really have to see whether those invites really allow that particular position, and this is also a time about politicking, it's also about posturing. So obviously 26th January is Republic Day, it's a national day. Obviously the centre would want to keep politics far away from this particular day when a dignitary, especially a US president, is coming to the town.
All right, Kamaljeet, Sandhu, thank you very much for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates on this very big story.